How to use your JBL Flip 7. Keep watching. Press the power button to turn on or off your speaker. Press the Bluetooth button once until it starts blinking. Connect your speaker with another device. To make the music louder, use the button with the plus icon. Press or hold to turn the volume up. Want it quieter? Use the button with the minus icon. Press or hold to lower the volume. To control your music, press the play/pause button once to pause, or continue playing a song. Skip to next track. Quickly press the play/pause button twice in succession. Return to previous track. Quickly press the play/pause button 3 times. Install the JBL Portable app from the Play Store to unlock more features. In the app, use the custom equalizer to tweak the sound to your liking. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe for more handy tips.